Hello, so we have a vintage train here, number 182 from the mid-70s. So this one I think was about 75, probably my parents bought it from me probably around 77 or something like that. As you can see, it's working absolutely fine. You can hear the noise it makes, which is quite exciting. Look at that, the wagons, and now it's gonna go the big round. So you can see a mixture of rails then, the original one, the blue ones, and then the grey ones were bought a little bit later. So it's going around that vintage city as well. Everything here dates from the mid-70s. You can see the first one ever was that taxi here. Then the first house that folds. Then we've got the firemen, police station, the town square, the doctor. The villa there was quite new. And it's working incredibly well for its age. This used to the second compartment, and the second wagon is for batteries. All right, hope you've enjoyed it. Bye bye.